When the task at hand is to integrate or unify data and information across departments throughout an enterprise, we have two primary enterprise integration frameworks to choose from. Enterprise Application Integration, or the EAI framework, focuses on integrating applications as a means of enterprise data unification, while EII, or Enterprise Information Integration, focuses on direct read-only access to the application's data, bypassing the application completely. Both frameworks lead to the development of an ERP solution, providing a single, consistent access interface to unify data and functionality across the enterprise. The goals are the same between the two frameworks, but the results and implementation are often quite different. Information silo environments still exist regardless of the increased use of GIS mapping and specialized GIS business applications in government over the years. Data unification is a conscious effort and doesn't fall into place because temporal or spatial data is being used. Even with mature GIS technology, we find data access in general to be segregated by access to a particular application. The standard solution to reducing the silo effect was to buy more licenses and distribute the application to a wider audience. The EAI approach works well and has been used extensively regarding solutions for GIS and document management integration. The EAI approach has three disadvantages for us, though. One, we need to be vendor independent. By definition, EAI requires the integration of an application or software with GIS functionality and an application or software with data management functionality. Two, cost, deployment, and maintenance strategies do not scale well under the EAI scenario. The idea is to put this solution on everybody's desk. And three, we are database-centric, not application-centric. Information silos may still exist based on application integration, but with the EII approach, the ability to support a unified view of integrated data and information for an entire organization is provided by a read-only access layer to the organization's unified data and functionality. Both EAI and EII development frameworks can coexist within your IT structure without incident. Both frameworks lead to the development of some type of ERP application solution. An ERP application typically replaces or unifies the data of two or more independent business applications. Although the goals are the same between EAI and EII, development results are quite different. What is a business solutions framework? A business solutions framework is a conceptual structure used to solve or address complex business issues. The framework addresses the difficult issue of bringing together disparate data from legacy systems, specialized business systems, and GIS systems used in government today. This business framework focuses on data unification, not application integration. This approach is really what makes USAI's solution different from most others. This is accomplished by focusing on read-only, non-volatile access to the various business systems in your agency or organization. By definition, EII leads to ERP-type solutions. We have implemented the following guidelines to help us build this framework for the end user. The ERP solution should be a document manager that is spatially enabled, database-centric, and vendor-independent. This last restriction is what really defined our framework as an EII framework and not an EAI. The enterprise data window is the result of using an EII framework to build an ERP application. We call it the enterprise data window. The enterprise data window is a spatially enabled document retrieval and information unification tool. This component allows the user to search for documents by searching a map, specifying a location, or by entering search criteria in a document retrieval dialog window. The enterprise data window is the component used to unify data from existing business applications such as customer service, work orders, permits, into one user interface without disruption to those specialized applications and processes which currently exist. The enterprise data window is for everybody's desk. The document management component of the data window is designed with the capability to index and organize documents using map locations as well as traditional document criteria. You can set up the enterprise document manager platform around the organization and cross-functional groups to more easily unify your data with other location-based information across the agency. Enterprise document management are for those people responsible for the document management within your functional group or agency. The Enterprise Data Window's primary responsibilities are GIS document integration, document management, and data unification. Custom business applications and workflow unification can be developed on top of the Enterprise Data Window to provide an even broader view of the multiple data sources across functional groups and departments. In a nutshell, the Enterprise Data Window provides access to data and information, access to spatial functionality with performance, and access to business applications and customization. And it is also easy to deploy and to administrate.